Hello everyone, practical number 10, animal behavior. In this practical, there are three parts. First, social behavior. Second, courtship and reproductive behavior. Third, parental care behavior. In this practical, social behavior, we studied two animals, honeybee and termite. Second, courtship and reproductive behavior. In this practical, there are three animals: spider, scorpion, peacock. Parental care behavior. In this practical, there are four animal study. First, Aries, ichthyophis, elytis, and hornbill. In this practical, in exam, question 5, D, identify and describe. 2 marks. So, we know about animal Unit 4, Animal Behavior and Embryology. 4.2, Courtship and Reproductive Behavior. Hello. Unit 4, Animal Behavior and Embryology. In this unit, 4.2, Courtship and Reproductive Behavior. The process or different rituals performed by the animals before copulation to attract the opposite matter is called reproductive behavior. In this behavior, first example, peacock. They reach sexual maturity at age of 3. Once they have developed colorful feathers to attract the opposite sex. The breeding period of peacock lasts for 5 months, mostly from June to October, rainy season. The male first unfolds and lifts its feathers of tail in a spectacular way to attract the female peahen. During this process, the eye spot in the feather is highlighted. The male approaches the female in a particular way of dancing, walking forward background with small steps. During this dance, it bends his beautiful feathers over front, fanning rhythmically with spreading feathers outwards, takes them back and looks like dancing. If the female invites through lowered back, if she is receptive, and if not, she will go away. During this period, the female count the eye spot of the male in its feather. The more the eye spot, the more powerful genes are of male. The female will only select the male who is having more spots. So the offspring will be more adaptable to the environment. Second example, scorpion. The male have to be very careful when seeking out a female for mating. So it does a little dance by waving pincer, waving tail and shivering the body to send vibration through ground. Only when she winks at him, he will approach closely. The males have specially hooks on their pincers. By pincers, they hold the female tightly. They grab the pedipalps and start the rituals dance called ballroom dance or predominance dance. A kiss called chelicera kiss also occurs during this dance. The male during this period sees to specify site for deposition of spermatophores and even may sting slightly the female. Then the male grabs the female at the position of spermatophores from where the female takes up through the genetical pore present on ventral side of abdomen. At last, if the courtship fails or courtship occurs, the male runs quickly from female as she might kill him. Third example, spider. The first task of male is to find a sexually receptive females. This is because it is difficult to find as they lie solitary and spread over a wide area. In most of the species, female leave pheromone behind in their silk thread. The male can find her by receiving the signal of the pheromone and can locate the female. Males have chemical sensor on their front legs. Some female sprays the pheromone directly into the air. The next step is to fight against other male if present, and if not, to destroy the web so the pheromone would not call any other males. Male has then to signal the female that it is a spider of same species and not the food of predator. Some species of male will use vibration as means of courtship communication. The male may strum a unique pattern on thread of female and tell it intention. Many spiders with good eyes sight may jump like it dancing or tap its feet in a specific manner. Some of spider may also brings gifts for the female wrapped in silk thread. Once the female has recognized the male courtship behavior, she will position herself for sex, signaling to male that whether she is receptive or not. The reproductive organs are present at rear side of the abdomen in both of the sex, but the male first deposits the sperm on the web. After, with the help of pedipalps, put the sperm into the genital organ opening of the female wherever the repending eggs are present.